Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the update can run uninterrupted. Charge the watch above 50% and make sure your phone has at least 30% battery. This prevents mid-update failures. Open the Boltt app, enable Bluetooth, and pair the watch if not already paired. Once paired, grant the app required permissions and notification access so the device can receive firmware files. Start the update flow in the app. This is the first actionable step that kicks off download and transfer. Once done pairing, find Firmware Update inside the app settings and tap Download to fetch the latest package. This downloads to your phone first. Make sure you keep the phone within close range of the watch, because the file transfers over Bluetooth and interruptions corrupt the package. Do not switch apps or trigger system optimizers that kill background processes. Monitor the progress bar. If transfer stalls, pause and retry. Otherwise, wait until the app confirms the file has been sent to the watch before proceeding to installation. You finish by tapping Install on the watch when prompted. The device will apply the update and reboot automatically, which can take several minutes. After reboot, open Settings or About on the watch to confirm the firmware version matches the update notes. This verifies success. If the installation fails, make sure to restart both the watch and phone, recheck Bluetooth, then retry download and transfer. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall the Boltt app before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.